Hi there, today going to learn about how to change the shape of an image in our Wix website. So I have here my Wix website editor, here I am in my website and I have different images right here. And I want them to have a specific shape. So an easy way to do this, you can just click on the image and then you can click on design. And then you can go down here and you can change the shape. Just click on the different themes right here, but this is only a basic shape, which is a oblong or like a circle. But if you want to have like more specific shapes, what we can do is we can just remove this frame right here, go to crop and let the website load, and then from here you can click on shape crop, and then we will have different options right here. So for example, this one, and then this one, this one, and then we have some more complex shapes right here if you want to use them to your website. But if you want to have like a custom shape, what we can do is we can click on this plus sign right here, and then we can choose for some different pictures right here that we want to use. So for example, we want to use the shape of, for example, like this one. We can actually use this as a shape of the image. For example, let's click on crop to shape, and then we have the shape of the image right here. And if we click on apply, and then there we have the custom image shape. If you want to change it again, let's just go to this crop button right here, click on shape crop. If you want to have another design right here, for example this one, this shape, click on apply, and then that is it. And then you can also do the same for other images right here. For example, this one, click on shape crop, click on the plus sign. If you want to have some custom shapes right here, so for example, this camel-like shape right here, click on crop to shape, and then there we have the shape of a camel, and then click on apply, and then that is it. That is how we add some image shape into our Wix website. And that is it for this video, and thank you for watching.